In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Typeform. In order to do that, you first need to head over to typeform.com, which is their website. Once you're in there, proceed to click onto this Get Started, it's free option. You can proceed to click on this and sign up, or you can also just click onto this sign up option that we have right there. So either way, this will actually redirect you to the next part. So since I already have an account, let me just proceed to actually log in. Now here is my actual dashboard on Typeform. So for this case, just open the form first that you wish. So I'll head over and open this form right here. Now this will redirect us to the form editor. If you want to actually change the language, you first need to click on the settings or gear icon that we have right here. This is actually our form settings. You can find right here the language option, so make sure to click on this. And from in there, our main language will be English. So for here, if you want, you can actually just change your form language for this part. You can set a default language or enable translations. So for example, let's try to actually make it English, but let's go to translations in order to translate it into another language. Do take note that in order to translate a form, you need to actually be subscribed to a plan like business, enterprise, talent, growth, essentials, growth pro, and growth custom onto the actual type form. This is because the translation forms is actually created with AI, so it needs integration based on that. Now, if you want, you can also just change your form language directly from there and change the main language into whatever language you would want to use. For example, let's choose Korean, click on save, and this will save the progress that you have made. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.